Parang mga pangalan ng volleyball player ito. And the rest of the volleyball friends, Viber public chat. Just go to the public chats tab sa inyong Viber app. Search and start following volleyball friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra fun kulitan. Sige, may harot kayo dyan. 11-6 ang bilang natin. You know, Kung Fu races style is like the big brother you don't want to see at the door if you go home late at night.
Nag-aabang eh, no?
Diba? Alam na eh, no? Hindi yung tatay eh. Kung minsan,
Hindi.
hindi ka matatakot sa tatay, yung kuya eh. In the meantime, yes, go ahead please.
Parang tipong kuha ka sa tingin.
Ay, kung makatingin pa naman yan, di ba? Si Roger Gorayev naman sa kabila, siya po yung tatay na mali ang nabili mo. Yung inutos sa'yo, hindi mo sinunod. And Coach Roger was telling us he has pet names sometimes when his players fool around. In the meantime, it's 11-8. There's Roger Gorayev. Hindi mo yung style niya. Tatay na tatay eh. Psst, tinatawag niya, no? Di ba? I know that's kind of impolite in our culture, but you know, I guess in the noise.
Pwede kayo, huy,
Huy!
ganun.
Nanguhuy. Tinaas ni Rasmo. Pinalo. Kailangan alam mo, tama ito eh. Kailangan pumalo ang UST today.
Yes. They really have to be very aggressive with their attacks. And alam yung parang, yes, you have tall blockers there, pero hindi mo pwedeng, hindi mo pwedeng, bigyan ng masyadong alalay.
Good point, yeah. And so far, since the first technical timeout, UST has outscored NU 4-3. And keep in mind, NU was leading at that juncture 8-5. Battle at the net. Tinaas ni Veroshao. Free ball given up by Jesse De Leon. Tight set. It has to be there, the blocking for USD. And there it is again, but the score will go to NU as there's a net touch.
That's the second net violation error called up against UST.
That's called extra strictly nowadays because we return to that old rule. Sorry, you're younger, of course, but that is the strict old fast rule. The official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League is Axel. 12-9 is the count here. Wasted serve.
Third service error here for NU. The second of Jaja.
Parang Roger Gorayev is just so used to it by now. I wonder how he works on it in practice. I'm gonna chat to him about that. Parang pagdating sa game, wala na, hindi alam niyang mangyayari. 12-10. De Leon serve. Regalo. Lastimosa unable to puncture it, but Meneses takes care of business. Napakaganda ng potential nitong si Meneses.
Yes.
Ano?
She has the height. Nakita mo naman yung reach, ang haba ng arms.
Haba ng arms. At saka may grittiness siya. May fight siya. Of course, big stint was in the national team. The under-23 tournament. That is cleanly inside. NU up in front by 2, 13-11. Myla Pablo. Coach Gorayev was telling us he has no qualms about Myla. It's just when Myla clams up, when she becomes tense, ang mga players, pag hindi nagsasalita, nakakatakot eh.
Oo. Let us struggle for the first ball para dito sa UST.
Kanina pa nilang problema yan.
It's either over ball or kapos din sa setter.
And suddenly, breaking loose with a 3-point lead is NU because, wow, Kung Fu is working on that first ball thing. Siguro ito si Kung Fu binubuhat yung mga arko doon sa UST. So,
fit na fit si Coach, no?
Yan ang gusto kong makasama sa isang gabing madilim. Bahala na. Kung walang taxi, hindi kami maapektuhan. Hello, says Sing. Sing. Oh, anong tawag? Net touch.
Net violation. So the point goes to UST. It's a free point.
This first set, if you just joined us, is still being fiercely fought. It is UST with the serve. We have Lastimosa all set to serve for all of us. Her team currently down 12-14. In the air we go. Sing from, gusto pala nito yung medyo malayo sa net.
And Jarrell Sing, nakita natin kung gaano kalakas pumalo yan.
Yes.
Talagang may force eh. And siya, she has this ability na patamain talagang off the block eh. Papatamain sa kamay ng blocker, it will go out.
Sasabihin nung nagbablock, aray, ano yun? Sakit ah. One-handed drop, but no.
Violation?
Yeah, and it's a second row player. In the meantime, it is 16-12. It is National University ahead at the second technical timeout. By the way, may kumalat na chismoso. Kasi Risa Sato ng Ateneo was joining National University. Our writers have confirmed that that was just hearsay. That was speculation at best. Even Roger Goreyev said, wala, chismis lang yon. So with that puts an end probably to that speculation. The movement of Sato Kuno, hindi pala totoo
Hindi
yan.
pala totoo. So, inside scoop?
Inside.
Lahat sa inyo.
Hindi, yung mga writer natin na magagaling. Nakita ko sa
Actually,
Twitter yan.
I've read about it also. I've heard people been saying that she did to Ivy.
In the meantime, Cortez is seeing action for the first time. Cleope as well. Ivy, kanina nabanggit mo yung first ball ng UST. Is that still one of their problems and they're behind here at probably a crucial part of this first set?
Yes, we can see that UST has this struggle para sa kanilang first ball.
In the meantime, referee Philip Season saying just making sure about the players coming in. I think it's a confusion. Wala naman timeout. Napindot lang.
Napindot.
Kasalanan ng cameraman ho natin yan.
Kaya nag-sound yung buzzer.
Yeah, nagulo eh. Pinatabi ni Miyake kasi parang umurong ng konti. Cleope with the serve. Perez. There's the tap. It's in. Muntik nang maipasok ni Raira yun. 18-13. Now, UST just in a mess right now. Parang walang confidence.
Yeah, and UST right now, the way I see it, is a little bit slow to react
Yes.
sa mga attempts sa first ball eh.
Absolutely. Parang ayaw nila yung ating official ball, yung Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's feeling. In the meantime, that's into the net.
That's the fourth service error for National University.
And both, I think all of them have been made by the Santiago sisters.
Yes.
Also. In the meantime, here's Meneses. Pablo. I don't know if that helped. Nung hindi niya pinalo, well, she sort of decided, pababa na yung block, tapikin ko na lang kaya. Take us through this. What happened
Let's take
here?
a look at that one. In mid-air, she decided Kasi dapat papalugin na niya, pero yun again, an advantage sa being a tall player. So parang nagkapi pa siya muna bago niya inisip, paluin, i-drop ball. Paluin, i-drop ball.
Decide pa whether decaf or regular. Diba? This is a forgettable first set for UST despite getting that last point. It's an energy issue actually. Si Mrs. Francisco na UST nandun sa likod ng server. Her grandchild of course is playing for the Tigresses. That's a block. There's Lastimosa on your screens. And there's Mrs. Francisco in the middle. Long-time athletic director ng UST. At she's a UST fan because of the Tiger outfit she wears.
Talagang ito na for the occasion
EJ hating herself. Messing up the serve. Parang I look at UST, parang siyang anak na ginigising mo. Hoy, pasok na. Tapos sabi 5 minutes pa. They're not playing with the usual spunk that they're known for. And in the meantime, this serve has been an Achilles heel for NU. Ilan na ba bilang mo?
It's a 6th service error already for NU.
And that is probably keeping USC just within striking distance.
That's right.
Not because of their own doing also.
So 3 points yun para sa UST
That block is there. It does not cross over. That helped create that point. It's a closer first set at 18-20 now. Let's go with the serve of Cortez. Looks short, but it's safely in. Perez. Oh, yes. When there's perfect sync between spiker and setter, it's just marvelous to watch. Watch this. this ultra-fast bike, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
Parang ano, ang ganda ng choreography eh, no?
Oh,
Parang,
yun ang maganda sa
talagang may
volleyball eh.
timing eh.
When it's done nicely, no? Tinatsaga sa practice yan.
Yeah.
Nilalakad yan eh. Hindi naman automatic yan eh. May walkthrough pa yan eh.
You know, in training, you also create different situations na maganda yung receive, pangit na receive, pero naitutuloy nyo
Yes.
pa rin yung play.
Don't you hate it when the coach was nasa net, they put a chair and he's above the net
Yeah.
and throws the ball down.
Oo. Parang minsan sabihin, wala namang ganyang katangkad sa totoong buhay.
Imagine you with Ramil on top and Ramil talking endlessly. Diba? Ramil De Jesus, of course, the coach of LaSalle. 19-21 is the count. Now USD beginning to knock on the door very loudly. To the open. Urdas getting it into the air. Lastimosa to the other side of the universe. Too many free balls being given up by USD, but they make the most out of it. This is time to listen to Roger Gonoyev.
Yung dalawa, hindi ka sigurado, huwag mo bibitaw. Saka hindi mo na kailangan tumakbo ng din, biglaan yung dating ng bola eh. Dapat yung diretso na lang. Diba? Puro miss mo yun. Tulad yun. Ang gaan-gaan ng bola, bakit kailangan ma-misreceive natin yun? Diba? Eh kayo yung naiilang eh, sila yung tayo yung lamang, baliktad yata yung utak ninyo niya. Uubos na yung lamang natin sa
You see what I mean? Mali ang luto mo nun eh. Baliktad, sabi niya man. Punta na lang tayo sa Shakey's. For fun, family, and pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Last day bukas ng 40% off for chicken and mojos.
Ako, so pwede pa humabol.
Yan.
Pwede pa.
Last day bukas. Kaya magkapatid, ilang mojos mauubos nyo, no? 22 to 20. Ganun yan.
Secret.
Oo. pag request natin na additional order, sandali umorder sa ibang branch.
Ubus
Ganun
na.
karami pala.
Uy, hindi naman.
Hindi naman, exaggerate. Pero kaya.
Kaya namang kaya i-cater na isang branch.
Kaya. Uy, mintis! Ay.
Both of these teams committing a lot of errors eh. Yung mga
Oo.
plays, miss hits.
Ito na si Kung Fu. Makasarap pakinggan to, Ivy.
Ano eh, puro over the ball. Ang hindi mga tamaan ng spiker natin eh. Nakikita mo ba yung tao natin sa harap? Sino mas porsyento sa tingin mo? Eh, pinapalang yung main score eh. Yes coach. Gawa mo ng paraan. Hindi mo ba kaya ipanalo yan? Ako.
3 points lang.
Oo, habulin natin. Dalawa lang. Sabihin mo talaga.
Ako naniniwala na pag hindi napapansin yung setter, the setter is probably doing a great job. Pag napansin ng coach ang setter, may problema yung ginagawa. Diba?
Yeah. But most of the time, that's true eh.
Diba? Yung
That's
set,
true.
diba? Nasabi, gawan mo ng paraan.
Oo.
Parang it's now, dahil sa score, pumorsyento ka ng konti kasi nag-aabol tayo.
Yeah, and it was also a great challenge post para dito kay Sara. Sabi ni Coach Kung Fu, kaya mo bang ipanalo yan?
Wow!
And with
Wow.
Victor,
Oo.
sabi ni Sara, kaya coach.
And no setter will say, hindi ko kaya.
Oh.
Pag sinabi mo,
Kaya
hindi mo kaya,
lumabas ka na.
labas ka na lang dyan. And look at this, UST hanging on to the tails of the Bulldogs. Bulldog not exactly a very long tail, but look at this. Urdas, all business. Ito si Urdas, si Pablo, hindi ngingiti buong laro yan. All volleyball yan. And you can tell she's still nursing a bit of that injury, trying to gain confidence with that.
Until na medyo
Yeah.
ano pa eh, may konting alalay pa eh, yung
Ah.
movements niya eh. Hindi tulad ng, it's not very explosive or all out.
Is it more in the mind than in the body?
Yeah, it is actually more in the mind eh.
24-22, save, a set point rather, saved by UST. Here's Carmela Tunay. Perez, tinapos na. Gustong umuwi ni Dindin, may lakad sila mag-asawa mamaya. And NU winning the first set, 25-22. And we will break down this first set with the numbers after taking a look at our Shakey's Shake and Play.
Parang kanilang fighting spirit,
Oo,
yung enjoyment
oo.
ba dun sa game, feeling ko yun lang naman ang nawawala. I mean, in terms of their skills and everything, it's there. We can see it's there.
And I guess thinking about the game as early as the entire week and probably last night, look at this, a little more joy on the USD side as they take the first point of this second set. Glad you're with us. We're live on GMA News TV, wherever you may be. I'm with Ivy Remulla and Bianca Lim for your quarterfinal match here. In fact, we're in the one of the last two weekends of the quarterfinal round. We're looking for 4 semifinalists. The set, Meneses, General is there. Here's the recycled offense, and we have a change in the setter, by the way. And you're now going with their young setter, Rica Diolan, wearing number 1. They allowed Perez to now sit down.
And we also have Jasmine Nabor fielded in here for the second set.
And she was just on your pictures. And Roger trying to mix up a lot of the young faces with the veterans.
Yes.
This first ball, problematic. Sing. Talagang malakas pumalo.
Oo, ang layo na nun.
Layo nun. Uh-oh. Double. Yes, indeed. Double touch the setter's bane. 2-1 is the count here as UST already in front early on, trying to get their engines revved up. In the meantime, we're going to have a serve from way somewhere in San Juan. Will this help? It does. Sails down nicely to the other end. That is missed. Hindi gumapang, not getting enough elevation. That's Nabor. Alam mo, may players talaga, well, he just came off the bench
Yes.
trying to get into the groove of the game, so to speak. Minsan, they're good players who just come off the bench. Ano na, akala mo kanina pa naglalaro eh. Pero merong iba slowly. Let's
Yeah,
see.
it will take time for them para mag-init.
Para pawisan. In the meantime, an exchange of slaps. Sing, slaps it. Oh, yan ang sinasabi mo eh. Yun, walang pag-asa talaga kung hininaan niya.
Yeah.
Dahil nilakasan niya, ay di outside.
It's always off the hands of the blocker eh.
Yun no, ang big chunk ng points nitong si Sing, ang kapitan ng NU, ay coming off those deflections. Sadyang pinahampaso sa block. Tingnan mo, sir, may laman eh. Chope is eaten alive by Myla Pablo.
Good strong serve from Jurel Singh. Malakas na ng braso. No?
Sing, and we've covered her, and I know she's lost a lot of weight as well. Don't forget, for Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. And Sing has always had a lot of wallop. Even that is too much to bear. 4-3 is the count here. As USD inches forward, they lost the first set, 25-22. Here's Carmela Tunay all set to serve. General lifts it up. Pablo. Ooh. Buhay pa. The point is alive. Pablo recycles. Chope to the other end. That is inside. Considered inside. Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. It takes a very crafty setter to be able to shift the attention to the other end. Kasi andito na yung blocker
Yes.
sa left side eh. Nicking the net. Nabor. Looked long, but this one is so hard to play. And EJ said, Rep, pwede ka umalis sandali.
Nakaharang ka rin eh.
Excuse me po.
Kuha ko sana eh.
Buhay yan eh. Ako, ang advice ko talaga, lakihan ng volleyball court. Wala lang.
So, pahirapan yung laro, Seb.
No, para, alam mo,
More floor area to cover.
Alam mo yung mga pure, point lang naman eh, ibalik eh. In the meantime, yung alertness ng USD problematic pa rin. Now, last 2 points have belonged to And you were tied at 5. Let's go with the serve of is this Nabor?
Number
Yes,
18,
yes,
yes.
it's Nabor. Ooh, lamig. Sobrang lamig. Hindi mo naman pwede ilabas agad. Masisira naman yung confidence ng player. So, a tough chess game for Roger Goreyev in the early goings. Here's Meneses. General steady. The dink. Manabat. Jousted the net. The strike. Well done by E.J. Laures.
Good recovery para dito sa Lady Tigresses. Ito, makikita na natin na they're ready, starting to develop the aggressiveness inside the court.
Parang ginawang warm-up yung Perset, no? Ganun talaga sila. So,
Tagal talaga ng warm-up.
yeah, this is this kind of team. This is not your usual team from the previous years of USC where they would start with firepower. Long free ball. Set. Ay, Mintis. Walang timing for De Leon. Myla said, sige, magkagulo kayo dyan.
So Myla Pablo going in against 3 blockers.
And Myla read the situation perfectly. Nagkakagulo eh. O, tingnan mo. Yan, dito tayo. Bilib ako sa mga player na magaling pumili ng eskinita. Lusot eh.
Yun yung mahirap actually ituro for a coach. Yung parang mag-isip. You know, they can feed you the information, but once you're playing inside the court, the coach can't really dictate anymore what to do.
Not at all. It's 8-6 as UST lands first at the technical timeout tableau.
Give them a run for their money. Sabi nga ni Myla Pablo, itong game na to, kaya naman daw forever naka-game face siya is because itong game na to is very personal para sa kanya because meron nga daw siyang mga graduating duties. Before the game nga sinabihan daw siya ni Coach Roger na mga specific instructions kagaya ng ilabas mo ang iyong pagka-senior at kailangan daw wag mag-hesitate pumalo. Balik sa inyo.
Oh boy, and Roger tried to work on the psyche of Myla Pablo. Myla can be quite vociferous. I saw her during the national team duties. She can be lively, but today they want her to be as such. General sprawled on the floor. This is a different UST team, maybe.
That's right. The more composed, the more aggressive UST team that we have here. Chope, one of the more younger setters that we have here in the league. Or guest player, syempre, nitong UST.
Tall setter.
Oo,
She, ako tingin ko converted, but if she gets her game down pat. In the meantime, a service error by Tiope, and it is currently an 8-9 second set. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. We have Rika Diolan, the other setter of NU, serving. Tiope, hindi pa siya sanay sa takbo ng setter talaga. Oh, in the meantime, General ends up searching for the Mikasa.
So far, so good here for UST. And the NU, just before the first technical timeout, hindi pa rin nila nakokontrol yung kanilang streaks of errors. They've already had 5 unforced error just before the first technical timeout. And UST on the other hand, isa pa lang. So mas maganda ang simula nito para sa UST.
In the meantime, General made a decision, stuck to it, and paid for it. Simply the ball simply sailed down. Because nasunod naman ni General lahat eh. It felt like it was going over her shoulder, looked out, but it actually had some space to work with. There's a miss, but somehow Jaja just finds a way, and I guess height really helps.
Yeah. So kahit late yung pasok talaga sa tangkad niya, no? Nagagawa talaga niya ng paraan.
Nakukunan ng Instagram, padadala sa buong mundo. Ito ko, ano nangyari dyan? And she makes that decision. In the meantime, 9-11 is the count here. Tight set. Meneses caught in a bind there. Lively exchange. Oh, Jaja unable to push it upwards. UST by 3, 12-9.
This is a more lively and enthusiastic UST team we're seeing here in the second set.
Rightfully so, Ivy, and just that kind of UST team. Top first ball. Yep, I'll call it that way. It's a double. (13-9). PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. In the air we go. Myla Pablo stabs it over. Tiope with the set. Ooh, huli si Carmela. Pinaluan, huli na naman. And out of reach.
Almost a good coverage there for UST.
13-10. You know, this team has been together for a while, and I'm sure they will develop better chemistry as the days progress. They just want that confidence, and Singh says, what happened? Anyari?
May feeling ako, alam ko na kung saan mag-overload ang NU sa training.
Saan?
Service nila. They've committed 6 service errors in set number 1. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, that's their third for this set.
That's
already.
a lot.
That's
Nine.
a lot.
You're parang namimigay ka ng regalo. And you don't want to give UST a sense that they could come back. They lost the first set, 25-22. Roger Gorayev is up from his seat. And he's not exactly delighted with what he's seeing. 15-10 is the count here. Make that 15-11. Yung error ba, Ivy, nangyayari pag sobra mong kinakargan or you're not concentrating?
It can be both. You know, and sometimes kasi minsan itcha pa lang eh. Sa pag-itcha pa lang may maano mo na talaga kung mag-error o hindi eh.
Add one more on that list of yours. Another service error by National University, 16-11 as we hit the second technical timeout. Hook shot, Kurt Bachman.
Yeah.
And Bachman's very much into sports. No question about it. Okay, back to volleyball. Into the back row, 16-11. Pablo, huli ka ha? Oh, look at UST now. They didn't do that. They weren't jumping up and down like that in the first set.
Of course, reason to celebrate para dito kay Eliza Chope. Good block there from the attack of Myla Pablo.
17-11. Oh, just when you're beginning to party, a party pooper comes along and it's the service error. I think you're running out of paper there, trying to count the number of service errors.
There's just something about the serves eh.
Something na nasayang. It's a giveaway, as we remind you about Axel being our official outfitter here in the V-League. Parang too many, no?
Yeah.
You are going to make that mistake, but just too
It's
many.
just too many for both teams, ha? I mean, not singling out anyone.
You know, this game, this allows taunting. But when EJ Lauren nods her head like that, slowly, almost in slow motion, you know she's saying something. Gotcha. Ooh, faulty service reception. Free ball. But nice revenge exacted by Jaja Santiago. Mas maganda sa Tagalog yan. Nakabawi agad. Volleyball is a game of bawi agad eh.
Yeah.
Ang hindi makabawi agad, usually talo. Ooh, it nicked the net. Playable. Hinabol. Setter has that run, has that strut. Palo, Ivy.
Set, paloy ko na sana eh.
Oh, oh.
Naunahan ako ni Coach Mac.
Second ball kasi. Second ball.
Oo
Second
nga
ball.
naman.
Second ball
Second ball
setter
dapat.
eh. Second ball
Kasi
pa lang
regalo,
yan.
papaluhin ko na sana dapat
pala.
eh.
Mag-shakies na lang tayo for Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be shakies. 18-15, and now Myla Pablo breathing some sunshine into the service game. And Kung Fu trying to reassemble his team. They don't want NU to suddenly catch fire here. Let's sneak in.
Pinaghihirapan natin yung lamang natin. Ngayon, bibigyan natin, binibitawan lang natin yung bola. Kung mo bang outside? Nasa labas ka ba? Nasa labas ka ng guwe? Kung bakit mo binibitawan? Yung bola papunta sa'yo, bibitawan mo. Ano, may sasagip na naman sa likod mo, hindi mo pwedeng buhayin yung sarili mo? Akin. Hindi pala binibitawan mo. Dulo ang receive, isang atake lang. Panunok ka ba?
Yeah, meron siyang 10 kapatid na babae. Diba?
Overprotective brother.
Diba? Sundan ng all-out kulitan ni Eliza, Mika, Rachel, at lahat ng mga volleyball players nyo, no? Sa Viber Public Chat. Just go to the public chat sa inyong Viber app and start following the chat and the joy. The kulitan. Samantala, back to volleyball. Hindi naman tayo maalis eh. Oh! Outside.
The UST calling for a touch, pero sabi ng ating referees, walang nahawakan. So point goes to NU.
Eto na, sabi ni Kung Fu, sinayang nyo yung lamang natin. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi ang UST o dire-diretso na ito remate ng National University. Ooh, too casual. Too casual. Both teams lapsing into some crucial miscues here. If you're UST, you don't want to give NU a 2-set to love lead here. Not NU. Bawi. Got
Sam
it.
was actually asking for it. Sabi niya, Coach, isa lang. Kasi nakita niya, papalitan na siya.
Ultra fast bike, ultra fast LT for a happy family, and the good ones ask for the ball. Eh, kapitana pa siya, no? May attitude ang may sariling diskarte yung leader. Sing. Ala.
Yes, it is
Ala.
off the hands of the blockers.
Alam mo, si Sing volleyball made easy. Wala. Puro open yun ang papaluin yan. Puro open. Puro lakas lang gagamitin yan. As we rejoin Rica Diolan for the serve. Tiope. Huli naman si Pam this time around, and they're unable to get it over. We're tied at 19. Now, if you're UST, you have to throw something different at the NU at this point. Medyo bistado na sila.
Right, probably more variation, of course, in their plays. They are doing combinations, which is good. Kaya lang nababasa na ng blocking ng NU.
Yes, indeed. This one, cross-court, papaluin. And that is completely out of reach. UST is back in the lead. Their noses are ahead, 20-19, but barely so, as De Leon prepares to serve. Parang magbo-bowling si De Leon. Ang tagal.
That's
I think
outside.
a little too long. Walang tempo. Ilan ang bilang mo?
So 5 service errors for UST and 4 for NU.
Still too many. 20 apiece, especially in a game as crucial as this. Here goes Jaja. Jaja is number 3 in terms of scoring. And that is an easy drop. And NU is now in front. And the lead has completely changed hands.
That violation error called up against UST. Sayang yung save ni Pam doon. It was a good save.
Jaja's production coming mostly from spikes, but she also scores on her block, but sometimes also scores on her serve. Almost did that time around. Long cross court. Sabi ni Dionela, akin na, setter ako. Ay, kapos. Masyadong casual ang palo ni Myla. Pati siya napangitan eh. Kaya yung mga volleyball player, alam nyo, no, pag nyeps, no, pag pangit yung palo.
Actually, minsan approach pa lang alam mo na eh. It's not gonna be a perfect hit.
Sagwa. Kaya natatawa kayo pagka biglang umiscore.
Oh, good
Hello?
save.
Yes, indeed. Oh, hindi na.
Ay,
Hindi pinagbigyan.
sayang. Lifting na yun pag hawak ni Meneses.
Masyadong ilalim ng bola ang kuha. Ito na, 22-21. UST. I don't know how much this will affect them if they lose the second set going into the third. We had anticipated at least 4 or even 5 for this kind of battle, actually. Let's see. In the meantime, here's the strike. And that goes through. You won't deny Dunay for too long. Cortez and Veroshaw are back in.
Of course, this is for goal front line para dito sa UST.
They have a bit of their Espanya arch right there in front. Ako, matagal ko na suspecha yan. Pagka dumaan ka sa arko nun, kino-clone ka dun.
May hidden mechanism ba yun?
Gumagawa ng volleyball player na butasan ng UST. All business din itong NU, ha? Gusto rin manalo. You remember last year, it was NU and FEU that fought for the championship of this one, and they lost to FEU, a team that was boosted by the presence of Gonzaga and Dakis. And FEU did not start that conference very well. Ooh, out of reach! General with the frustration of a libero. Walang masabi si Coach Roger, sabi ni General, ako mali eh. Inamin agad
Bago pa siya.
Inamin agad ng anak, opo, alas 3 po ako umuwi.
And we have a new player fielded in
Sino?
for UST. We have Sandoval.
Uy, bagong mukha.
She's actually a replacement for another guest player.
Oo, wala sa listahan eh. Yan, puti na banggit mo yan. It's 24-23. It is set point for NU. The irony of sport. The irony of life. You'll build the lead and lose it in the home stretch. Regalo. Patay! Patay! Sabi ni Jaja, may reunion ng Santiago family mamayang hapon. Bilisan na natin.
Kailangan makauwi na.
Watch this. Shaky shake and play. USD wasting a relatively comfortable lead, and NU is ahead 2-0.
And tama ka dun, Sebe, they almost had it. They were leading. It's just a matter na they're not able to sustain or maintain the lead.
Oh boy, you do not show, alam mo tong, I love this NU team, but they're like sharks. They sense blood. Uupakan ka niyan. Do not give them a second win. Actually, talo na yung NU ng second set na yan eh. Ito, problemado ngayon ang UST. They gotta climb back into the mental aspect of this game. Whoa, and that hurts. And that hurts. Mahirap pag masyadong masaya si Jaja. Ako barometer ko ng NU. Pag masaya siya, they're playing well.
Oo.
Kasi pag may problema ang NU, tumatahimik yan si Jaja eh. Hindi humaharot, hindi niya hinihila yung mga kakampi niya. Malaki problema to, 2-0. Huli na naman. Tunay. Smart thing, but it's still in play. The point is alive. Lifted up that time by Tiope Lastimosa.
Oh, she
Long
sends
and
it
out.
outside.
Alam mo, may chance ang Arellano University with a mix of what is happening. The biggest win they scored was against NU. They're just lurking at 5th spot right now because FEU also fell to Ateneo yesterday. FEU is at 4-2. This is alive, by the way. Oh, net touch. Net touch. It's Tiope, I think, who touched it.
It is Tiope with the net violation error. That was a good recovery, good first ball from Pam Lastimosa.
Ang lakas ng palo na yan, ha? You sort of know kung gaano kalakas yung palo doon sa sound nung dig pagka pinick up nung nag-try na itaas uli yung bola. There's a tumbling act that time. There's a new libero on the floor for UST. Number 7 is actually on the floor. That is Hachero. Down it goes. Finally, the first point of UST. If you just joined us, NU won the first set 25-22 and also won the second set 25-23. Ang saya na ng UST actually nung second set.
Yeah.
Nabuhayan na sila but they lost their energy when it was all important. Blocking by UST momentarily there. Free ball coming. Laure lifts it up. Tough set. Nagawa ng paraan.
The aggressiveness of Mela Tunay, hindi nawawala. I mean, probably they should keep going to her more.
Ako po, porsyento ako dun no? Might as well. Don't forget, the place to go to for fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. And those of us, or those of you watching the V-League this afternoon at the Shakey's outlets, good afternoon, nakakaingit kayong lahat. Bakit hindi tayo mag-cover mula sa isang branch ng Shakey's?
Maiba naman yun.
Maiba lang.
Para free-flowing ang pagkain.
Dalawang branch ang alam ko malapit dito, yung Green Hills at saka yung sa may Gilmore.
Oo, pwede yun. Para hindi, aside from pizza and the modus, pwede pa tayo order ng iba pa.
Ang galing mo talaga. Pag yan ang topic, kasundo mo. Let's go to Miyaka, for instance, for another plate of mojos. Diba? In the meantime, the ball dies in the water because of a net violation, and you now inches forward 5-3. Ang natitirang game ng UST pagkatapos nito ay next week, FEU ang kalaban nila.
Actually, for both teams, if I'm not mistaken, hindi magaan ang kanilang mga kalaban.
And ang NU, Ateneo na ang kasunod pagkatapos today. And Ateneo remaining undefeated since the day this tournament started. 5-4. I thought that FEU Ateneo would go at least 4 sets. But Ateneo may have had other plans that day, making short work of the Lady Tams winning in straight sets. In the meantime, it's 4-5 as the serve of Lastimosa is currently being played out. Tiope calculating. Laure uncorking. Pinalo sa likod ni Singh. Hachero stretching. Tunay, favorite corner. Layo.
That goes outside. Another error para dito sa side ng Lady Tigresses.
You know, I'm looking at Kung Fu Reyes. He's in a quandary. Hindi na niya alam kung anong gagawin niya. Isa lang ang alam ko, PLDT Ultra Fast LT for a happy family. Up to 10 Mbps, 999 pesos lang every month. Pero wala siyang mapagdukutan sa bench,
Yeah.
Wala siyang makuwang player to spark the team, Usually, you wanna go to your bench to be able to find some other players who will live up to the challenge here. Oh boy, that's a problem. You're UST. Kita mo na tama yung sabi mo, Nasa harap si Dindin, siguradong bibigyan ng isang runner yan.
We all know naman that ang favorite na atake nito si Dindin na yung running. So, 90% of the chance yun ang kanyang play.
Bantayan mo na.
Good
Tunay.
first ball.
Oo. Buti ginawa ng paraan ni Tiope. Singh says hello. Nagawan pa ng eskinita yun. NU in front and they're smiling. Why not? They're in the lead. Magulang, one of the best ways to bond with your kids, get them into sports.
Yeah.
Sarap po maging stage father at saka stage mother.
At the same time, you get to develop yung discipline dun sa mga bata.
Ako yung pamangkin mo kay Ann, swerte sa stage auntie.
Baka nga masapawang ko pang nanay.
Nabalitaan ko nga, sinabihan ka ni Ann nung isang araw, ate, pagkukunan mo ng picture, bihisan mo naman. Nanay at auntie naglaban Samantala, Laure ends up in the wire and UST has now fallen behind by 5, 10-5. Kung Fu is scratching his head. He just came out of a timeout. He wants to talk to his troops again.
Yes, mahaba-habang instruction. Galing tayo sa technical timeout, 2 minutes. Ang ganda ng mga instruction, ang ganda ng bilin. Pagbalik natin, ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda para sa kabila. Ang instruction naman para sa atin, hindi naman para sa kanila eh. Hindi yung composure na wala. Kasi yung kailangan niya, masandalan niyo yung isa't isa eh. Pag-angat, pag-receive, wala na. Sabihin niyo kasi kung ano ba, ayaw na? Control natin. Ano yung pwede natin control? Control natin yung laro. Para sinabi yung tapos na agad eh. Wala nga nananalo ng 2 set, paalala. So, ang gagawin natin, pumasa muna tayo ng maayos. Execute mo, 2 tulong. Kung hindi kaya magpa-play, itulo-tulo mo lang. Pagpagit na yung lang. Anong nawawala sa atin? Nawawala yung back attack natin, nawawala. Ibalik uli natin, i-compose uli natin.
Malinaw na malinaw yon. Sundan ang all-out kulitan ni Eliza, Mika, si Rachel, si Ara, si Judges, Dindin, John Vic, Peter, and the rest. Boys and girls pala ito, no? And the rest of the friends, Viber Public Chat. Just go to the Public Chat tabs, inyong Viber app, search and start following your volleyball friends. Sigurado good vibes when you catch their volleyball kulitan. It must be frustrating for Kung Fu, no? And he knows his team can play better, actually. Long. 10-6 is the count.
He's telling his team, di ba, controlling niyo yung game. So what are the things that you can control? Diba? And of course, one of those things, syempre, is yung error.
Yeah.
When at this point, kasi before that, the first technical timeout, USC already has 6 errors and NU only has 3.
And then Manabat gets on top of the set. You know, there's that prayer, no, God grant me the serenity to change the things that I can. And they can control these things. And that's an ultra-fast spike, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Itong NU, huwag mo bibigyan ng pagkakataon na mag-enjoy. Mahirap kalaban yan. Sa dami ng bala itong NU. Oh, wasted serve. Ay, ang service. Punta tayo sa practice ng NU bukas.
Malaki probability na talagang doon magko-concentrate yan.
Ihilera ni Coach Roger at ni Coach Ejet lahat ng bola on one side. Silang coaches. Nandun sa kabila. Sige, mag-serve kayo. Yun, tusok yun.
And that makes it to the line.
I really feel the Santiago family has a reunion going on right now.
Ongoing na siya, lunch kasi yun, no? So,
nagmamadali itong magkapatid para umabol sila. Kahit man lang yung ice cream, abutan nila. Dessert. 12-7 ang bilang natin. And here's Singh. Laura hated that first ball. The drop. Myla sends.
Another net violation error.
Net.
That is a third net violation error for UST para dito sa set na to.
And those little things, you know, pile up. And look at this. It's now a 6-point gap between NU and UST. NU threatening to make this very short work. Hey, ladies, we have lots of airtime here. You want to play 4 sets? You can do it. But in the meantime, a mess up by NU. It's now 8-13. Ang gusto ko naman kay Kung Fu, no? He's beginning to sound perhaps like a redundant man here, but I think deep in his heart, he knows his team can play better. Like this, oh. You can't win with serves like that. Don't forget, Shakey's the place to go to for fun, family, and pizza. It's got to be Shakey's.
And you know, sometimes kasi when parang mas lalo ka nag-iingat, lalo ka nagkakamali eh.
That is such a great point. Parang you have to take a few risks. Here's Laura. Kailan pumorsyento na eh.
Yeah.
Good pick up by Hachero. Lastimosa is caught red-handed.
Nothing working here.
And Pam will sit down. Cortez will move in. Watch this. Watch this double block. They just knew where that was going. 8:15. The team captain, referee Philip Caesar, just making sure he knows who the captain is. Because in the strictest sense of the rule, only the captain can address the referee.
Yes.
Cortez has to track it down. Hachero. Good first ball by General. Tinago si Myla Pablo. Hello. Palo. Ivy. Yan po si Ivy. Sa ibabaw sa ilalim ng picture nyo. Kailan kaya direct mahuhuli? Kami naman sa slow-mo ang pumapalo. Request. Balik ko tayo after this. (16:08) ang bilang natin dito, and you're threatening to make this a very short live presentation on GMA News TV, which we do every Saturday and Sunday, and on Mondays to Thursdays we showed you the entire schedule of games actually we have during the course of the week. May mga paborito tayong kaibigan na nanonood, kamukha ni Coach Joren Tenorio ng Ateneo de Iloilo. Lagi akong tinitext ito pag tayo ay live. Yung mga kaibigan natin sa UP Shopping Center, alam mo ba sunod-sunod yung mga Xerox machines dyan? Ang TV nila sunod-sunod din.
Lahat naka-tune in sa
bilig yan. Even during the course of the week, during our delayed presentation. So yung mga nagsi-Xerox dyan, magandang hapon sa inyo. Tandaan nyo, tama ang bilang nyo, ha? Kasi baka
mawala sa bilang,
kakapanood. 8:16 and USD with a big mountain to climb here. It has to be IB 1 point at a time, just get closer. 16:8, 16:10.
Yeah, we've seen bigger margins na talagang lumapit ang score. So this is, kaya pa to. It's not impossible.
Tunay says so, and she believes, and that's why it's 9:16 right now. My feeling lang is that baka hindi pa umaalis ang UST dun sa second set nung lamang sila at nawala yun. It happens to teams sometimes. They had the lead there but they were caught flat-footed, off guard. Tough angle to work with. Tunay, caught. I really feel the Santiago family has a reunion. No question.
UST again, slow to react dun sa top ball na yan. Everybody was actually there sa pwesto, pero parang nanonood lang halos lahat eh.
Parang,
everybody was there in that spot eh. They were all there.
Flat-footed lahat, walang galaw. Huwag kakalimutan, Mikasa, ang natatanging at nag-iisang official ball ng Shakey's V-League. 79, another serve. Boy, I agree with you 100%. Roger Goroyev will work on the serve tomorrow. Boring practice forthcoming tomorrow.
Panay serve.
Puro serve lang. Patay sa tubig. Pablo.
Thinking, huh?
Yeah, I like the way Myla Pablo plays. She's such a smart player. Yolan now for Perez as we make a change at the setter position. Hindi mo si Yolan, talagang leader. Bago umupo, may instructions pa. I forgot to mention that Roma Joy Doromal is in for the first time for NU. 19-10. NU is just moving closer to the finish line.
And that's why, Coach Roger slowly fielding in yung mga ibang players niya.
This will snap if the way things are going, this will snap the winning streak of UST. And they still have one game left in their schedule, which will be against FEU next weekend. Nice. Oh, well done. Galing magbasa na ni Dindin. (20-10). I wonder what Kung Fu still has to say.
Pilitin natin, i-overcome natin kung ano yung nararamdaman natin. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ano naman yung nakakonekta sa sa utak nyo. Every nerve nakakonekta naman sa utak. Emotion na naman ang lumalabas. Kailangan nag-iisip pa rin. Diba? Wala, ang nararamdaman natin, emotion na, parang ayaw na agad natin. Kailangan mas matatag kayo. Kaya yun ang sitwasyon ng gagawin natin, mag-bitcha ka ba tayo bibitin? Pag umangat ang bola, paano nyo naman na malakas? Isa lang din, ilaban nyo na, isugal nyo na yan. Yun ang tinatawag na kailangan na drastic na tayo. Wala nang mawawala eh, ang laki na ng lamang eh. Anong gagawin natin? Tapik-tapik pa rin. Lalo tayong kakainin ng kalaban. Bombahin mo nyo ng bombahin para may mangyari sa atin. Wala na, hindi na nga effective eh. Anong gagawin natin? Bigay lang na bigay ng bola? Makipag-usapan na tayo, patayan ng bola, gano'n lang. Huwag na kayo mag-play safe, ang layo na yan. Kailangan natin sugal, drastic na natin yung reaction natin. Wala na mawawala eh. Kailangan natin, hatakin natin yung score natin pataas. Baka sakali magbaligtaran. Huwag kayo magpadala sa emotion.
Alam mo, naghahanap na. Kung sa boxing yan, away kalye na yan eh. You know, there's nothing is working by just playing patty cake eh. You gotta be a little more aggressive.
So, Coach Kung Fu is asking them actually na sumugal na daw eh.
Oo eh. Take a few risks. What can you lose?
You can't, in volleyball, I'm sure in any other sport, you can never play too safe. You can never be too safe.
Like if you have a combination play you haven't tried all afternoon, might as well use it. Oh. Of course, it starts with a good first ball, but let's see. Doromal with a spike, easily neutralized. That is caught in the water. And boy, Dindin has just played well in almost every department. 21-10. We have Cabanos stepping in for Tiope. First time for Cabanos to see action. Boy, if you were talking about the NU practice coming in the course of the week with service practice, can you imagine the UST practice?
That's right.
They'll work on almost every skill probably. Oh. And Cortez says, oh boy, it's been that kind of day.
Just one step short.
If you're UST, and I'm looking at some of the coaches, this is painful to watch, really.
Especially na since you know kasi na this is not the way the team is playing eh.
No, they had 6 games won in a row actually, 22-10.
You know, sometimes you can think na siguro dahil because most of the games they played are 5 sets, baka naubos na rin sila doon sa mga laro nila eh.
That's a good point. I like the way referee Pajarillo did his count there. Very judiciously. Francisco will come in for Meneses, but that's been not yet allowed by the Bureau of Immigration. Finally, referee season allows it.
Wala daw visa.
Oh, mas mahigpit dito eh. Or expired yung passport. The meantime, 23-10 ang ating bilang. Here's Myla Pablo. Has also played heads up today. Oh boy. And now it's match point.
UST has not moved. You know, doon sa kanilang puntos.
No, that 10 has been there forever. Somebody has a 3-set charm here. In the meantime, UST tried to breathe some life into their dying cause here this afternoon.
And Carmela Tunay serving for UST.
So many match points here. And it's over. Doromal finishing it. I'm surprised it happened so quickly, Ivy. And you just playing hard enough to be able to secure this win. And you can feel the pain of USD as they went through the excruciating phases of this